Well, without all that snow there, he couldn't reach it. Because he's just been, this past weekend, he's been climbing up like that. Before he didn't have to.
Mommy, why does he always come here?
He's hungry.
He loves the bird seed.
You have a special visitor.
Yeah. He said this is so yummy.
I didn't know deers ate bird seed.
He said, I just love it. I like it even better than apples.
Look at his
See
head.
how heavy his coat is? Doesn't he remind you of a llama or something like that?
I was gonna
I
say,
probably shouldn't be here, but
why does he
Never been a problem
why does he
before.
like snow? Oh, he's going back in. He's going
Oh,
in
he's
the
going
woods,
to go the other
Mommy.
way. Oh, he goes that way
nice
too.
jump.